Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose additional settings. Now click on one-handed mode section and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by tapping over here or swiping up. If you wish to disable one-handed mode, click on this little icon over here, and in order to enable it again, click on this same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!